Camera.
It will be
General shots.
2 to 3 degree cooler. Now if you see, I'll just show you. This is our smart grid mattress made up of. This is the patented smart grid technology which is there in every mattress of ours. Right? This is a small miniature how it looks like. Now I'll just take you. So this is the Lux. I need a soft hotel like mattress. So this is the Lux range. Now if you come this side, this is our Ortho range. Ortho range of mattresses which lot of people come and say that I need something which is great for back, also a little firmer and helps me reduce back pain or over time prevents back pain. So we've got these models in our Ortho range of products. So I'll just give you an example. If you see this, it's a smart Ortho mattress. This is the patented smart grid technology. Then we use an Ortho relief foam, and then this is a Ortho support foam. All our materials are of very high quality. And this is, as I was saying, this is our patented technology. We've got patent granted in India and multiple other countries. And this now is smart grid technology. This is our range of office chairs.
What is the difference between the chair and this chair?
So this is, if you see, these are mesh chairs, right? Mesh chairs with seat cushioning. And this is a gaming chair. In India, gaming community is becoming very big, right? And they are the ones who are sitting on their chairs and playing the whole day. And they want something which is little bigger in size, more cushioning and more jazzy compared to more sophisticated office chairs, right? But all the products have the smart grid technology. So if you see, this is the range of our office chairs. And this is something, so these are our seat cushions. You can carry them in your car, anywhere you sit, right? And this is again, you can see the patented smart grid technology, which is very good for pressure relief. You sit on it for 10 hours and you will be okay. No pain in the tailbone, no pain in the hips. Very comforting for long hours of sitting. And this is our lounger grid technology, right? If you see, you can recline at any angle you want. No manual control, everything is electronic, right? This product we launched and we had a stock out in first month of launch. Just 2 months old and doing phenomenally very good. Today now after COVID, one change that we've seen, the consumer is becoming very demanding. They want products that they feel are good for their health, that they feel are good for their family. Right? Earlier nobody cared about mattresses. Today people do this only, and that's why the Sleep Company creates products that are very innovative, completely new technology in this country, and we eliminate all middlemen. Today if you see all the brands in this country, अक्टूबर 2019 में चालू किया था, 4.5 years बैक. एंड ये टेक्नोलॉजी इज स्मार्ट ग्रिड टेक्नोलॉजी. This is what we invented, and we have patent granted in India, in Japan, in Korea, in China. 4 countries we have the patent granted for the sleep company Smart Grid technology. Now this is आपने market में ये देखा होगा form, memory form, very bad for the spine, very bad for health. Let me show you. आपका body straight line है नहीं ना? आपका head is a curvature, hips is a curvature, shoulder is a curvature. Shoulder or hips is a curvature. Now if you sleep on a hard mattress, can somebody come and press your hand? It pains or no?
Yes, it is right.
It pains. So on curvature, imagine this is your body, this is your head, this is your back, and this is your hips. On curvatures, ergonomically you need a mattress that is soft and that releases pressure. Can somebody come and press this? Press it. Tell me, does it feel soft? Soft. But on your back you need hard mattress, so that your spine is protected. Now can you come and press it? Does it go down? Press harder. Doesn't go down, right? Very hard. This is the technology which is both soft, pressure relief on curvatures, and hard. Can somebody wants to try press it? It is hard under back and soft under head, shoulder, hips, which no other product can be. If you see this, it's कहीं पे भी आप लेटोगे ना, ऐसे पूरा body अंदर sink हो जाएगा. Very bad for the spine. This is memory foam. Very, very bad. Second thing, when you lie down on a mattress, your body has heat. Memory foam absorbs heat and gets very hot. हाथ रखो कोई भी जन, दोनों पे हाथ रखो और मेरे को बताओ क्या डिफरेंस है. इधर भी रखो एक हाथ. ये कूल है और उधर कोई एयर ही नहीं है. देखो इसके नीचे भी फैन है, इधर कोई एयर ही नहीं है. This is the technology which can make sure when you sleep at night you don't get hot. It doesn't trap body heat. It's very cooling and breathable material and very, very good for spine. Our customers tell us that their back pain reduced by 90%. We launched 4.5 years back. We are the fastest growing mattress brand in this country. We are tripling revenue, 3x revenue year on year for the last 4 years. And today, as you know, we are celebrating 75 stores across India. The brand was launched in October 2019, but we started opening stores only 1.5 years back. And in 1.5 years, we've opened 75 stores, all our company-owned stores, our COCO. Right? Because we want to be a direct-to-consumer brand. We want to ensure that we give great patent product here, and 75 stores today, and becoming one of the biggest brands in this country, the most disruptive comfort tech brand in this country, and we will continue to grow double, triple business in the next 2 to 3 years. Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka Salot. I'm the co-founder of the Sleep Company. Today we are present at our Jubilee Hills store in Hyderabad, and we are celebrating the 75th store anniversary. Right, in 18 months, the Sleep Company has opened 75 experience centers. They are our company-owned stores, because we are very, very proud of providing our patented products in mattresses, in recliner beds, and in Smart Grid office chairs to our consumers, direct to consumers. Right, and we would like to obviously thank our consumers. Our vision is we want to become India's top comfort tech brand, and we want to change the way, improve the way people sleep and sit. Right? If you know, today we spend 1/3 of our life sleeping on a mattress, which is 26 years. Right? The quality of sleep you get depends on what mattress you sleep on. And that is the reason we did research for more than 2 years and invented this Smart Grid technology, which is present in all our mattresses and ensures our consumers get much better quality, much deeper sleep. Right? And we also now put this technology in office chairs, because we were lot of our consumers were coming and saying that, you know, our mattresses now are amazing, can we get better chairs? And so that's what we did. Now we sell smart grid technology in mattresses and in chairs. Third, we started as a digital first company in October 19. However, basis the feedback from our consumers said that, you know, we want to look and feel, touch and feel the products. And we opened 75 stores in 18 months. Today, we are the fastest growing mattress brand in India. We have been tripling business year on year, and we will continue to do the same. And just to add, today, you know, it's our 8th store in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is our second biggest city and is very, very important city. We will be doubling 8 to 16 stores within this year.